In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off the silence call feature on your iPhone running the latest version of iOS. Before you dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. And if at any point you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to apply to every single comment down there. But begin by actually opening up the settings app on your phone. And what you're going to want to do is actually just at the very bottom, type in the search bar phone and open up the phone app just like so. It's going to take you into your phone settings right here. And what you're going to want to do is actually scroll down until you see the option to silence unknown callers. This is going to be within the screen unknown callers option. And you just want to go ahead and select silence just like so. That being said, you don't have to select silence unknown callers because you do have three choices. Never, which is going to be at the very top, and this is just going to turn the feature off and all calls are going to ring. Silence unknown callers, which is going to be calls from numbers not saved in your contacts, are going to be silenced. They're not going to ring, but you will see a missed call notifications and your recents. And you can also always have ask on, which is going to be a new option, which is going to filter calls by asking unknown numbers to state their reason before the phone does ring. If you want peace and quiet, choose silence unknown callers or always ask. If you'd rather get calls, set it to never. But that's it. Now you know how to control the silence call feature here on iOS. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.